How to change your Gmail address on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Gmail app. Here we go. After you open it, now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. In order to change your Gmail address on a device, you can go ahead and click on the option of Add another account. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Google. Click on Continue. Now type in the credentials of the Gmail account that you want to add in your device. After you type in, click on Next. Now type in your password. After you type in the password, click on Next. And just with that, you have logged in with another Gmail address in your iPhone. In the case you want to log out of your old Gmail address, click on the profile icon again. Click on this option of Manage Accounts on this device. Now toggle off for the Gmail account that you want to log out of. Then click on Remove from this device. With that, this Gmail address will be removed from your iPhone. Well, this way you can easily change your Gmail address on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.